Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use slicers and filters in Microsoft Excel to make your HR dashboards more interactive and easier to analyze. Let's get started. To begin, open your HR dashboard or any Excel sheet containing pivot tables or charts. Select your pivot table and go to the Pivot Table Analyze tab on the ribbon. Click on Insert Slicer. A dialog box will appear showing all the available fields from your dataset. Select the fields you want to use as filters, for example, department, location, or gender, and click OK. Excel will now add slicers on your worksheet. Each slicer shows a list of options that you can click to filter the data instantly. For instance, clicking on Sales in the Department slicer will update your pivot tables and charts to show only sales department data. You can move and resize slicers to fit neatly within your dashboard layout. To select multiple items, hold down the Control key while clicking. Next, let's format and customize your slicers for a clean, professional look. Click on a slicer, and you'll see the Slicer tab appear on the ribbon. From here, you can choose different styles, adjust the columns to show multiple buttons in a row, and use report connections to link one slicer to multiple pivot tables at once. For example, if your dashboard includes charts for headcount, salary, and attendance, you can link the same department slicer to all of them. This ensures that selecting a department updates the entire dashboard simultaneously. To make your dashboard even more dynamic, you can also use the filter options directly in pivot tables. Click the drop-down arrow next to row or column labels and select or deselect values to view specific data subsets. These filters work alongside slicers for more refined control. Slicers and filters make your HR dashboards highly interactive and user-friendly. They allow HR managers to quickly view data by department, gender, location, or any other category without manually changing formulas or charts. That's it. You now know how to use slicers and filters in Microsoft Excel to make your HR dashboards more dynamic, interactive, and insightful. In Unova HRMS, similar interactive filters are available in the Analytics dashboard, allowing you to instantly view data by department, location, or other categories with a single click. In Unova HRMS, a complete leave and attendance tracker is already available in the Attendance and Leave modules, where present, absent, and leave records are automatically calculated and highlighted. Thank you for watching.